This is major forms of indices that requires level of attention because the index they are in fraction. That is why we call it fractional indices. So when you have something like this, you will write as this root x. That is all. When you also have like this, you have the same thing root x, but it will now raise to power b. So we are going to be using this formula to explain how we can use this to solve many of indices questions. Fractional indices. These are the forms of fractional indices. We use this, this is the format whereby we see the fractional indices. We are going to use it to solve all these questions. I will serve it as an example. So the first one, it says, which is A, that is 9 raised to power 1 over 2. So 9 raised to power 1 over 2 will surely give us the square root of 9 plus or minus square root of 9, which is called to plus or minus 3. So the B part, we have the cube root of 8, which is the cube root of 8, that is the meaning. We have 2. So we have C, which is 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3 will be written as 1 over the cube root of 8, the cube root of 8 raised to power 2, which will give us 1 over 2 square. So 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3 will give you 1 over 2 times 2, which is equal to 1 over 4. So let's do the D part, which we have 4 raised to power. The D part, we have 4 raised to power 1 over 6 to multiply 4 raised to power 1 over 3. So since it's a multiplication, we take only one base from the first law of indices. We have 4 raised to power 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. So we can find the LCM here to be 6, which is 1 plus 2. So it will give you 4 raised to power 3 over 6, which is 4 raised to power 2, which is square root of 4. So the answer here is plus or minus 2. So we are going to solve the D part. So whereby it's going to explain it better. So the E part, which is 16 over 81 or at the power of minus 3 over 4, you are going to rewrite it as one whole number 16 over 81 all raised to power, that is the fourth root at real raised to power 3. So why do we have 1? We have explained it from our previous video because of this minus from the part of the law. So therefore we have 1 over, so you find a number that you are going to multiply in 4 times that will give us 16. It will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and another number that you're going to multiply in 4 times that will give you 81. That is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, all raised to power 3. Now remember that this value, it is even number. If it is odd, it will not have plus or minus. Plus or minus, so it will be 2 over 3 all raised to power 3. So because of the plus or minus, so we have, because of even, it must have plus or minus. We now have 1 over, so 2 raised to power 3 will be plus or minus 8 to divide plus or minus 3 raised to power 3, 27. So whereby we have plus or the reciprocal of this will give you plus or minus 27 over plus or minus 8. So that is just the answer. So try to subscribe to this channel and give a thumb up for what we have been doing.